Greetings from Singapore, Kampong Gelam. There's a big Ramadan fair right now, and in front is a popular roti store.
Very hot. Be careful.
Very skillful roti. Roti kuku, that's a nice name. That kind of bread, right? And this place just beside the mosque, you know, the famous Sultan Mosque. It's just amazing. Amoy Thai tea, so DIY food. The house or Nây Măng. The burger, man. Cheese wheel pasta. Balang, you know, balang. What's this, man? Some kind of tuna and the drinks. How do you pronounce it? Yo de bak, Korean food. What's this? Munafa in a cup. Oh, it's nice, man. All these it looks like a pizza, you know, but it's a kind of other stuff, you know. The drinks, matcha drinks here, matcha classic. Wow, it's just beginning to be sunset. A nice time to explore this area, Kampong Gelam. Look at it, buffet, $10 tempura, sushi taco. The origin of Vada is 1989. They even had a uniform, man. The crazy corn dog, man. The mala version as well, and this two chickens here doing karate, chicken chop. Well, this is really nice restaurant, Imanami Hala Vietnam. Wow, inside there are more stores, eh? And the famous kebab. I think eating a kebab is cheaper than the other stores. Sorry to say that, man. You know, the prices have been increasing ridiculously. That's why I saw a burger at $12 though. Sofa, sugar mamala. Now we have some tacos right here. Taco pizza. El Papi drinks. Last one is the frities. Very popular nowadays, you know, the taco and the frities. We are going inside now. Go pay, man. Muy bien. No, look at that.
Yes, boss. Fried tau pon.
Takoyaki. Here's the event stage and some area bank for diners to eat. Dine. What's next here? Look at the boss. Wow. Meat and pasta. Bigger folks. The food event coming in. Now this store is not open, it's actually very popular among the Singaporean. I mean the Thai fried banana, and this is a milk jar or something. Looks nice. Some nice pineapple tucked in. Well, I don't see any non-Muslim beside myself. I mean, more people should come here, man. Oh, maybe there's one in the corner. There's two. There's a taco right here and a pasta. Barling roll, look at the kind of drinks here. Ayam purse. Special burger, ramen. That's otah. Countdown roll here, a meat roll, stuffed chicken roll, rolling, and so much more. There's some more, much more in front. This kind of things here. And right here is the mosque. Inside. Wow, some nice cushion cover. Oh, it's the both shopping and the food paradise right here at the Kampong Gelam Ramadan fair. Matcha. Beef roti, chicken roti. You buy two with a discount, man. One is 9 for chicken, two is 16. Sage goreng. Nice little visit today. Kampong Gelam. Guess what? I think it's about 40 stalls inside. All Muslim food. There's no Chinese food, but the drinks is like all can drink, right? It's not halal or something. It's really nice experience. I'm looking at the murals. Forget the worry for 1 little second. Thanks everyone for watching this video on the Kampong Gelam Ramadan Fair 2026 right here in the Bugis area. I'd like to see you guys in the next video and take care everyone. Oh yeah, before that, happy Chinese New Year to all you. Have a good health, luck, marriage, wealth, whatever that you wish. But something is the wish that can be like realistic, not like you win 4D every single day. You know. This is Muscat Street and there's a gift shop also. And opposite there are some Turkish shops selling carpets. It's interesting. And that way, right, on the right side, it goes back to the Bugis MRT Raffles Hotel. Alright, I said enough. Take care everyone. Bye bye.